Good evening, Internet. Okay, so I just got back from dinner with my friend Sonia, and we went over to her house afterwards, and we harassed her cat. And her cat is very talkative. So that reminded me of something else that I can do that some people out there in the universe may find entertaining. So here we go. I can make cat noises, and I'm gonna make some for you guys right now. Okay? So. Yeah, so that's enough to convince you guys that I'm crazy, right? Okay, cat noise. I've done my job for the day. Bye.